Hi there. Did you know that data-driven restaurants are 23 times more likely to acquire customers, 6 times as likely to retain customers, and 19 times more likely to be profitable? Leveraging your restaurant's data can help you make informed decisions that help you optimize the way you're running your business and improve your customers' experience. The result? Loyal customers who keep coming back for more. Let's see how you can make the most of your own set of restaurant data. First, start by accessing your restaurant admin panel, then click on the Reports icon from the left side of the screen. The Dashboard section of the Restaurant Reports allows you to see your restaurant's results at a glance and compare them to the previous period. It displays some essential pieces of information like number of orders, reservations, Google rating, sales, website visitors, and number of new and returning clients. In the upper right side of the dashboard, you can select the time period for which you want the figures to show. The report can be displayed for 7, 14, and 28 days. If you look at the bottom of the dashboard, you will notice that we provide you with tips on how you can increase your online sales. Clicking on the I want more visitors, I want more orders, or I want returning clients options will open up new sections with detailed step-by-step instructions that will help you achieve your desired goals. Move the mouse over the sales graph to display more information about a specific day. Click on Sales in the left navigation panel, followed by Trend. This report allows you to view your total revenue, net sales, orders number, or average order value by order type. The Sales Trend report can be filtered by total revenue, net sales, orders, or average order value. The report can be customized further by selecting the Order Type option from the Select Breakdown dropdown. Moving the mouse over the report will display more information about a specific day. How can you use this info to your advantage? You can create targeted promotions for specific days to incentivize delivery or pickup, and then check how effective that promo was. This report can also be displayed in a tabular format. The date range for the report can be adjusted to display sales data for today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 28 days, or you can select your own custom date range. Moving the slider next to Show Previous Period will remove the previous period from the report. Click on the Download icon at the bottom right of the report to export a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. Let's take a look at the Sales Summary Report. This report summarizes your sales over a given period of time and can be viewed by day, week, month, payment method, or order type. You can filter and compare sales by months to reveal variations and adjust menu offers. Compare sales from different days and weeks to discover specific trends and see if operations can be adjusted. For example, increase staff on busiest days. Click on Export to download a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. The information displayed in the report can be modified by clicking on the Columns icon in the bottom right. The Menu Insights reports allows you to analyze the performance of the items in your menu. How can this piece of information help you? You can use this information to tweak your menu accordingly and remove from the menu items that don't sell. You can also incentivize sales on slow days with food promos of your best-selling menu items. So to check which menu items perform well or not, click on Menu Insights, followed by Categories. This report lists all the categories in your menu, along with the major groups they belong to, the quantity sold over a defined period of time, sales before discounts, item discounts, sales after discounts, and the percentage of total sales. As with previous reports, the date range can be adjusted. Click on Export to download a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. To see how various menu items are performing, click on Items. This report lists all the items in your menu and the categories they belong to. It also lists the quantity sold over a defined period of time, sales before discounts, item discounts, sales after discounts, and the percentage of total sales. Items and categories in this report can be filtered by clicking their respective subheading. The online ordering section hosts reports such as your website funnel report, client breakdown, table reservations, Google ranking, website visits, delivery heat maps, connectivity health, and promotion stats. The website funnel analysis report is essential to understand what visitors do on your website, how they move around. It shows how many visitors go through each stage of the sales process and compares them to the general average of the system. Most importantly, this report shows how many visitors finish placing their orders. If there's room for improvement, the buttons below the chart lead to a dedicated list of suggestions, depending on the area that needs revision. Simply follow the recommendations. These may include organizing website content, adding a security certificate, having the ordering and/or reservation widgets in sight at all times while navigating the website, or adding links to social media listings and review portals. The Clients Report specifies what number of new and returning clients are placing orders from your restaurant website. Moving the mouse over the report will display more information about a specific day. If you need to download a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format, simply click on Export. At the bottom of the report, we list some key actions that you can take to get more clients and repeat business. You can do so by using already done-for-you promotions, specifically designed to bring in new customers and generate recurring business. In this sense, you can start by choosing to share specific promos via email and on your social media, or enabling carefully crafted email campaigns that run on autopilot. Clicking on the Create Promo or Activate Autopilot buttons will take you to the designated sections of this online ordering system. If your restaurant has table reservations enabled, the specific information will be shown in this report. The Google Ranking Report shows your restaurant's website rank in Google for specific keywords, like in this example. There are several factors that contribute to where your website rank is on Google, including on-site and off-site SEO. On-page restaurant SEO, search engine optimization, implies a set of measures that you implement on your website to increase your chances of ranking high in searches. while off-page SEO focuses on increasing the authority of your domain through content creation and earning backlinks from other websites. SEO is important for businesses because it helps you attain better visibility for organic search queries. SEO easily connects your restaurant business with customers. People can find you on Google Maps, and you can share accurate business information like opening hours. Ideally, a good website should rank in the search results on the first page of the search engine. This report also lists the steps that can be taken to improve your website's rank in Google. Clicking on the warning messages will take you to other sections in the online ordering system where you can resolve the issues. The Website Visits report details what channels your online visitors use to land on your website. The report can also be configured to be viewed by channels or visits. At the bottom of the report, there's a section that details key actions you can take to increase your website visitors. These include making it easy for clients to find your website on Google, making your restaurant stand out in your local area with Google Business Listing, and distributing flyers in your neighborhood. In the Delivery Heat Maps section, you can find information about your most and least popular delivery areas. You can zoom in and out of the map by using the plus and minus icons at the top left of the map. The date ranges for the Delivery Heat Maps reports vary from 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, and 3 months. In this report, the red color denotes higher density delivery areas, and the blue indicates lesser frequented delivery areas. Use this information in this report to adjust your delivery settings or promotions accordingly. You can extend some delivery areas if you see a large number of orders coming in from out of your delivery zones. Or hire more drivers to areas where most orders are being placed. Similarly, if an area doesn't generate enough orders, you might consider removing it from your service to delivery area. The Connectivity Health Report indicates when your order-taking app is online or offline. If the connectivity is poor, your restaurant can miss orders. To avoid issues with connectivity, you should keep your order-taking device plugged in or your charger nearby. Keep the order-taking app open at all times, and ensure you have a stable internet connection at your location. Clicking on a specific date will show you the exact times the order-taking app was connected and the times it lost connectivity. The Promotion Stats report monitors the performance of your promo campaigns. This is also the place where you can check how the incentivization worked on each delivery rider's promo code. That is, if you decide to turn your riders into promoters. If you don't know how that works, check the link in the video description. You can view the data by count, value, and discount of your restaurant promotions. This shows you how many times a particular offer has been used by customers. It also shows you an insight into the type of discount that your customers like best. The best way to take full advantage of this report would be to test out as many different types of promos to see which ones appeal the most to your food clients. The List View Restaurant Reports is broken down into 2 categories: orders and clients. This report lists information about specific orders like the order number, placed time, order type, client name, order total, and order status. Click on Show More to view more details about an order. The Client's Report contains the names, email addresses, phone numbers, last orders, total orders, and total amount spent of your customers. Thanks to our end-of-day reports, restaurants know about their sales achievements, missed orders, sales breakdown, and more. Become more aware of the money they lose and take measures to prevent missing out on future orders. Are reminded each day of the used promotions that actually work. For example, free delivery promos for orders over an amount, or free dessert for every takeaway order. And overall, see how their business grows from one day to another. How to enable this feature? Navigate to Other, then Advanced Settings after Notifications, and check the box next to the End of Day Report. If you enjoyed this video on how to use restaurant reports to make informed business decisions, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's all for now.